Hey, I'm Josh Chin with AdjusterPro. One of the most common questions we hear from people wanting to get into adjusting is, do I need to learn Xactimate before I start working? So let's walk through the honest answer without overcomplicating it. First, let's define it. Xactimate is an estimating software used by insurance adjusters to calculate repair costs, especially for property claims like homes and buildings. It helps you scope damage, create estimates, and standardize pricing across claims. And importantly, it's used widely across the insurance industry. Do you need Xactimate to get started? The short answer is no, you don't always need Xactimate right away. If you're getting licensed, your primary focus should be passing your adjuster's exam and understanding the basic claims process. Many entry-level roles or training programs don't require Xactimate up front. However, you will likely need it sooner rather than later, especially if you want to work in property claims. When Xactimate becomes important? Xactimate becomes much more important depending on the path you take. You'll likely need it if you work property claims like storm or home damage, want to be an independent adjuster, plan to handle claims that involve estimating repairs. In many cases, employers expect at least a basic understanding, even if they provide some training. And for independent adjusters, knowing Xactimate can directly impact how quickly you get deployed and how much work you will receive. What happens if you don't learn it? If you don't learn Xactimate, it doesn't mean you can't work as an adjuster, but it may limit the types of claims you can handle, reduce the job opportunities in property adjusting, and slow down your ability to grow in the field. So while it's not always required on day one, it's often a key skill for long-term success. When should you learn Xactimate? A good rule of thumb: before your first deployment if you're pursuing claims, shortly after licensing if you want to stay competitive, or once you understand the basics of adjusting so the software makes some more sense. Trying to learn everything all at once can be so overwhelming, so timing matters. If you're deciding whether to learn Xactimate or when to start, the full article is linked below. It breaks down in more detail of what I've explained today. And if you're planning on taking your next steps and getting licensed as an adjuster, AdjusterPro offers training designed to help you build the right skills at the right time. Xactimate isn't always required to start, but it's often essential to grow. The key is knowing when to focus on it. So, thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about Xactimate, please again check out AdjusterPro.com. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell to stay up to date on all things adjuster. Just kind of like this video. And until then, I'm Josh Chin, and I will see you in the next video.